Hi guys, we're gonna be making slime again.
So let's get started. So we have our glue, our bowls and spoons,
Yes.
our
The glue is right down
containers,
there.
our decorations, our activator, and our food coloring.
And look at this whole box of stuff.
So
And make sure
let's get started.
to ask your parents before you start.
Yeah. So first, we are going to be using some glue. Pour it into our bowls.
Okay guys, it's like you can put whatever you want in the slime. Throw whatever you want. You can't put money into slime, right?
So
You can make a money
Now,
slime. You guys,
we
you
are
can make a
going-
money slime. Just put coins in there. It's a money slime.
now we are going to get our decorations and our coloring.
And my color is gonna be white.
Yours already white.
I never go white.
I am going to be using some, let's see.
I'm gonna use some
be
blue.
using some purple.
I'm using blue because blue and white are my favorite colors.
I'm using purple. 'Cause
When
I haven't
done-
used purple in a long time. Now we're gonna mix it so when the color gets everywhere.
Oh, look at this. This is only one dot.
Awesome.
It looks
This is 3 dots.
I'm gonna do two, 3 dots.
While we're mixing this slime, make
Yeah.
sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.
Alright, look. You guys, I just dropped the glue, the paint into the glue.
Okay, mine is the color that I want it to be, like a great purple.
But now my hands are all sticky. Ugh.
So I am done. My brother here, Shay, is not.
Yeah. And
He's gonna mix his. I'm gonna show you all the stuff that I have for my decorations. I have some flakes. I have some clay. I have foam balls.
it's kind of blue. It's not that bluish. Anyway.
We have some foam cubes.
And this, you
Some
guys,
snow powder. We have glitter. We have fishbowl beads. And all that good stuff. We also have some pearls. And yeah. We also have some really cool activator. Confetti activator. We're not going to use that.
yeah, you guys, I'm making a really cool slime. A really cool slime.
He's putting the foam cubes in his. And I am probably going to, let's see. I'm going to put in some flakes in them. Or I could put some foam balls. I could put some foam balls. Or I could put some foam balls. Your choice. Link it in the comments below.
Guys, look at my slime. Can you pass me the activator?
I'm gonna add one of these pretty diamonds. Add it to my slime.
You guys, I'm adding more white.
Make it a little lighter of blue.
Yeah, I'm making light blue slime.
I'm actually gonna put in these foam cubes, the same as Shay.
And I'm gonna add some of these blue
Foam balls.
foam balls.
I'm gonna put in.
Mine's gonna be a really foamy slime.
I'm putting that in. Got a little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. And I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna be a jelly cube slime.
Mine's gonna be a really foamy slime.
And I'm gonna make the same as him. So I am going to put some blue foam balls.
And I'm gonna add some of these foam balls.
These are a lot of foam balls, which means I have to too.
I'm making a really
I'm gonna add the rainbow foam balls just like he was. That's how much foam balls I'm gonna add. I added a lot of rainbow because I love rainbow. I'm gonna be a really crunchy slime.
and some of these.
I'm not gonna add that because I already have a lot of stuff.
Ours is a really colorful slime. Come on. I think it's time for activator.
Yeah, so we're gonna put all of our stuff away.
I'm putting more white.
Okay. Put it away. I'm putting my food coloring away.
You guys comment
Bring the
down below
activator.
what we should do for our next video.
So I'm gonna add some activator. We just add a little bit and see how it goes. And then if we need more, then we'll add more.
We're gonna mix. We're gonna keep mixing.
And add a little bit more. Since I added a little bit more, it got a little bit better. It's coming together. And we're mixing.
I'm gonna need one more squirt.
Woke up this morning, after information. That's when I knew I had what
Coming together pretty well. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
that's when I knew I had you know what?
I'm gonna keep mixing.
Yep. Mine is starting to come together.
Yeah. Mine is trying to get together too.
I'm gonna touch mine now. Wish me luck.
Look at this, guys.
It's pretty sticky.
Ah,
But if you mix it, then it'll start to come together.
you guys, look how sticky this is.
I should have added more activator.
I did add 2 3 squirts of activator.
Me too. Little bit more.
Just might get some sleep tonight.
So mine is not very
To the devil anymore. Plenty
It might start to come together. Kind of needs a little bit more activator, I think. If yours feels overactivated but still sticky, just add more activator and then add some lotion, and then it'll just be like normal slime.
Or if you like overactivated but so sticky.
Like overactivated slime feels really sticky. That means it's just sticky.
So we're just gonna add some more activator and then add lotion. Look at that.
We're not going to add lotion to our slime in this video. We're going to add it after.
Yeah. You guys, in the next video, we're gonna do a science video.
My slime is coming together really well.
Yeah.
It's still really sticky. And my hands are getting tired from mixing.
Mine is coming together really good. Because look, it's my hand. It's barely even dirty.
My hand is coming together. Oh, I just like probably just
My
one more
slime is just
squirt.
overactivated. It's not sticky. Our slimes are really good still.
Yes, and I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. So
You guys,
comes
don't
up
make
again.
slimes inside.
Unless you have like a cloth over,
Yeah.
you can clean up and throw away because the slime's gonna get all over the table.
Yes. We did it before and it made a huge mess all over the place.
Yeah.
And we had to clean it all up.
So, just a warning. My slime is really pretty. I really like it. And it crunches a lot. And it's coming off my hands.
Bye, guys.
Wait, no. We're going to say bye after you like and subscribe.
Okay.
And hit the notification bell.
Hit
We're
the
waiting.
Hit the notification bell. Subscribe. We're going to count down to 10 seconds. And I hope you subscribe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you subscribe yet? I hope you did.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Bye.